Assalamu alaikum, my good students. Uh, Today we are going to discuss grade 11 syllabus of Federal Board. So, if you can see, I can share the screen now so that you will be able to see. Uh, okay, I hope you are now looking at the screen and you can see now the whole syllabus is very vivid and very nice and very clear to you. This is a due syllabus by Federal Board for English Compulsory Higher Secondary School 1. I think there's no difference in Punjab board and this board. Most of the boards, they have the same syllabus now. So units included number one, responsibilities of the youth. Later on this syllabus, we will provide you notes, short notes, question answers. And if I receive some questions from students after discussing the syllabus for grade 11 from Federal Board, I will make another video for answering the questions. So chapter number one is responsibilities for the youth. Chapter number two, his first flight. Chapter number three, from mother with love. Number five, it's country for me. Number seven, choice for career. Number nine, the white lamb. Number 10, the word is too much with us. It's a poem. Number 12, the blanket. Number 13, Ozymandias is a poem. Number 14, a long walk home. Number 15, university days. Number 17, what you do is what you are. Number 20, how to take a job interview. Number 21, the road not taken poem. That's a poem. 22, the progress, and you see unit excluded titles, units excluded title. These units are excluded, mean these units are deleted. If you can see, these units are number 6 is usually, you see there is no number 6 here, 5 and then 7. Because number 6 is mother to son, that poem is deleted now. There is no more poem because this is the reduced syllabus by Federal Board. Okay. And number 8, you see here 7 and 9, no number 8 because wasteland is reduced. Okay, number 11, the importance of family. You see 10 and 12, there is no number 11 because this is deleted and this is no more now. It's a short syllabus. Same is number 16, no more. School versus education. 18, a dream within a dream, no more. 19, drug abuse in the youth of Pakistan. This is also no more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are deleted. So that's the reduced syllabus. They reduce the 6th one, and the total you see 22. If you see total are not 22, they're actually 18. So you have to prepare only 18, okay, units. That's all. Okay, this inclusion and exclusion of units encompass the relevant exercises also. So this is all for your syllabus for HSSC-1, grade 11. And next video we will discuss the syllabus for, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And next video we will discuss syllabus for grade 12. And if there are some questions from the students I receive from different social media, I will answer in a video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and bye-bye.